Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. A 75-year-old man was out for his usual afternoon walk when he suddenly heard a mysterious voice shout, "Stop! Don't take another step!" Startled, he froze, just in time to see a brick crash to the ground right in front of him. Heart pounding, he looked around but saw no one. Shaking his head, he kept walking. A few minutes later, the same voice called out again, "Stop! Don't cross the road yet. A car is speeding your way." Sure enough, a car zoomed past a moment later. The man waited until it was safe, then crossed, perfectly fine. Grateful and a little curious, he looked up and said, "Thank you, but who are you?" The voice answered warmly, "I am your guardian angel sent to protect you from danger." The old man nodded thoughtfully, paused for a long moment, then chuckled and said, "Well, I appreciate it. But where were you when I needed life advice?" A young guy asked an old man, "Hey, what does a woman's vagina look like?" Old man smirked and said, "Well, do you mean before or after?" The guy blinked. "There's a difference?" The old man leaned in. "Okay, picture the most beautiful flower you've ever seen. Soft pink petals, perfectly shaped, absolutely gorgeous. Got that image?" "Yeah," the guy said eagerly. "That's what it looks like before." The guy's eyes widened. "And after?" Old man chuckled. "Well, have you ever seen a bulldog that just ate a whole jar of mayonnaise?"